Hey guys, Marsha here. Welcome back to my channel. And on this episode, we're going to be talking about Envi Fx. Now, for those of you who are new, I wanted to say thank you so much for my new subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate y'all. On this channel, we talk about how to make money passively online. Hands-free money, guys, literally. So we've invested in a couple of platforms, and I am sharing my journey every week as time goes by to see what I've earned, what the losses are, all that kind of stuff. All right. Before I get started, I just want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research when it comes to investing, and just do your own due diligence. All right, guys. Always remember, it's your money that you're going to invest, so take the time to research the project before you get started. Right. With that said, let me share my screen because guys, listen, NVFX, I don't know. I don't know. This is where I'm at with NVFX. I feel like I've been at 577 for quite a while now, quite some time. It's been a minute since I seen a growth, on my account. Um, yeah. So I don't know, guys. But like I said, I'm still gonna I'm still gonna hold on. I'm not running. I'm still gonna stick around and see what's going on. As you can see right here, this is where we're at. This is what my balance is. I started this project in July, I'm sorry, July the 30th. And we are now in October, so that's what, about 3 months, right? About 3 months in, and I'm not seeing any growth. Oh, I don't know. Let me log in again and see. Hold on for a second, guys. Welcome back, guys. I logged out of my account for a minute, so I had to pause my recording. But yes, let's go back and so I can show you what I was talking about with NVFX, with my account, what's going on. So, like I was saying, I started on this project on July 30th. And so 3 months in, and yeah, I don't know. I really want to see some growth. I would love to see some growth on my account. Like I said, I'm not ditching the project. I'm still gonna rock with them and see what goes, what's happening. But like I said, guys, I'm not happy with the result at the moment. But let's hope for bigger things to come. Like I said, I really do hope that I can see some growth on my account. That's, of course, that's why we invest, so that we can watch our money grow and all that other stuff. But, as with any kind of investment, there's always risk and there's always losses. So we're just going to be patient and, see what happens, basically. Let me take you to their Telegram group. And as you can see right there, they post their results every single week, what they've earned for the day, the week, all that kind of stuff. And so as you can see right here, we're a minus 21% for this week. And their current drawdown is minus 3% or 3.02%. So, a minus 8% for the month of October. I don't know, automated capital. We're still rooting for you. All right. We're still rooting because like I said, 3 months in, I really would love to see some growth happening. But like right now, it's not happening at the moment. No growth. I am not seeing any growth. And mm, anyways, like we said, we're gonna just keep going and continue to praise this platform, and hopefully, like in the next we will start experiencing some gains on our accounts. All right. Now, for those of you who are interested in this project, there's a step-by-step PDF that's going to be linked in the description below. And this is going to give you step-by-step on how to get started, the different package that they have available, all that stuff. All right. How to buy your Bitcoin, where to get your Bitcoin, how to sign up for this particular account, Pamm account on NVFX, because NVFX has many different, they're affiliated with a lot of different accounts on there. So this PDF show you step by step on how to sign up with Automated Capital. All right, so that you choose the right account to sign up with, basically. And the different we have with also with this PDF, it shows the different packages that we have available. And I started with the gold. I started at the gold level with the gold package, and with that package, it's a 70-30 split. So 70% I take home and 30% goes to the company for maintenance fee and all that kind of stuff. All right, guys, you come in where you see fit, come in where you fit in, and yeah, if you see that this is something that you can work for you, or share it with someone who would be interested in this project. All right, the link, everything will be linked in the description for your convenience. All right, so again, like I said, this is my week. This week, I'm just showing you my result. My result this week with NVFX. Yeah, we're in red. Okay, we're in the red, but I do feel like they're gonna, there's big things ahead. I really do feel like, so I'm gonna put it in the universe, okay? That there's great things ahead for NVFX. And so, we can all reap the great benefits that's coming for this program. All right, guys. So this is my time. I want to say thank you for tuning in. Again, everything will be linked in the description below on how to get started with this project. If you feel like this is something that you're interested in, I will leave step-by-step instruction on how you can get started. All right. This project also comes with a Pamm account, and basically what a Pamm account is when you create an account on a trading platform, and they trade on your behalf and give you a profit in percentage per week. All right. So that's what this project is. And I've been with them for over 3 months now. So they're still going, but like I said, as you can see on their platform, they're going to be letting you know that trading is risky and all that kind of stuff. Like I said, I do believe in NVFX. It's just that, with any investment, there's time. You cannot rush these things. All right, it's going to take time, and there will be losses and there will be gains. So I'm just hoping that we will experience huge gains in the near future. All right, guys, that's my time. Thanks for tuning in. And I'm just going to say it's always a pleasure coming sharing my journey with you guys. I do plan, there's something else that I see that I really would like to, I'm interested in. So I'm going to test that out and bring it to you guys and see if that's something that you're interested in as well. All right. We talk about money making passively on our hands free on this platform. All right. That's what we do. That's what we love through the Pamm accounts that's available to us. And that's how we're going to be making money going forward. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. And I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. Take care.